What's up, guys? Welcome back, Digital Slang. Today we are talking the Razer. Yeah, the gaming company Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Earbuds. These are an AirPod style, and these are going to be really cool. A lot of cool options, a little different than most of your earbuds. They do have a gaming mode. It's a gaming company, so we got a gaming mode. You could control that, go in and out just by the touch controls, and it's going to switch it to an ultra low latency. So it will help with the latency if you are gaming on a PC or your Mac or even your phone. It's going to help quite a bit. You're not going to notice much, if any, latency when you are gaming. But sound quality on here is supposed to be really good. IPX4 water and dust resistant. And the battery life on here is probably the one gripe I have. It's only about 3 hours and about 16 hours with the case. So 3 hours, it is what it is. They come with some silicone sleeves to help with the fit. Now these are different than in-ear. They're not the silicone tips. It's actually a sleeve that goes around. But let's just check them out. The Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Buds by the gaming company Razer. I've been trying to get my hands on these for about a month and a half. They've been sold out, but today we're going green. We got the buds, we got the hoodie, we got the background. Let's just go in, we'll check them out. We'll do all of the testing and see how they are. So the box, the packaging, I dig the packaging. It is black and green. You got their logo up here on the top, Razer Hammerhead True Wireless. The branding on the side with just a little bit of info. On the back, it tells you a little bit more about them, a picture of the sleeves and the charging case. And that's about it. The logo on the side again, but let's open it up, jump in, we'll check them out. Again, we will do all of the testing, that we normally do, and we'll put it in gaming mode. We'll play a game and see if there is any lag, any delay. I love the packaging. I think the packaging looks dope. Black and green looks really good. It's really sharp. And look, first impressions for me, I've said this before in videos, first impressions for me go a long way. I'm hoping, of course, always that the product is just as good as the packaging. So let's open it up. It's a tight fit, very tight fit. And here we do have a little letter, whether you're at work or play, you deserve the best audio experience. And it just goes in and tells you about that. And it's signed by the co-founder and CEO. Also in here, we do have our Razer Hammerhead True Wireless. This is the manual. And here is our first look. Again, the packaging, the display, it's sharp, it's smooth, it's clean. And I like the attention to detail. I'm always gonna like packaging like this because they put care into it. And if they put care into the packaging, most of the time that's going to reflect in the final product. So I'm expecting these to be really good. I'm hoping they're great because I just want to use a dope pair of black buds. So let's check it out. We'll pull out the case first, and it is a very small, it's thin. It's not very big. Razer on the front. If we open it up, you can see where they're gonna fit inside. We got our LED light, one light on the front. On the back here, we do have a USB Type-C for charging. And on the bottom, just our typical text. Let's put this to the side. Also in the box, this is our USB Type-C for charging. And right here, we do have the buds themselves. Now again, an AirPod style. And you do have their logo right here on the top. And these are where your touch controls are. But we'll get into all that when we do the testing. So these are the buds. Really cool looking, actually. Really sharp. A little bigger than I thought. And they're kind of cut on an angle. So it's a little different. And I feel like these might even give you a better fit in your ear. But we'll check it out. We'll put them in. So nothing else in the box. So the silicone sleeves for the buds, yeah, they're in here. So you have your USB Type-C. You do have a little wrist hook to connect these so you don't lose them. And inside of here, we get the silicone sleeves that I was talking about. Take a look at these really quick. And I'll try these on as well to see if it gives me a better fit. Because if it gives you a better fit and a better seal, then maybe it'll give you a little better sound. So here are the silicone sleeves. These will fit right on the top of the buds. And we'll try them out, see how they fit, see if it makes for a better seal. But we'll try them out. Let's connect them and just start the testing, see how they sound. Let's move all this stuff out of the way. So we go into settings, and this will be the same on Android. You go into Bluetooth, and if we open the case, Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Earbuds pops right up, and it did say pairing in there. They're already connected. Let's throw them in. So we're connected, and I think they look pretty good. They actually feel really snug. They're not moving anywhere. You could run, you could work out, you could do whatever you want with these. I'm gonna play some music, we'll test out the sound, then I'm gonna throw the silicone sleeves on and see if that improves the sound or if it improves the fit. Right now, they're not going anywhere. They fit really well. Let's just play some music, check them out. So sound-wise, these things sound fantastic. For a pair of buds, I did not expect this. These types, right, like the AirPods that sit in your ear canal, you never really get a lot of bass, and the sound always suffers a little bit, but these sound really good. These are dope. I like them a lot. These are going to be my new pairs just because of the sound. There is absolutely some bass. You can hear it. You can feel it. If you got a bass heavy song, it's going to sound fantastic. And think about it. These are gaming earbuds. And you can tell because they put a lot of work and the sound quality is fantastic. I like them a lot. I just got to listen to more music because it sounds so dope. These things sound really good. I'm very impressed. If you're a gamer and you want a good pair of buds just to play games with, the sound effects within the games are going to sound really good with these. I'm very impressed with the sound quality. Let's just continue the testing. We'll do a mic test next, and you guys let me know how the mic sounds. What's up, guys? Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Earbuds. This is the mic test. Now look, I'm expecting the mic to be really good because these are for gaming, and you're gonna have to talk while you're gaming, so let me know how the mic sounds. It should be really good. Let me know what you guys think. Let's do another mic test. We're gonna add some background noise and you guys can get a real test of how these things sound. What's going on, guys? This is the mic test. Background noise. If I was in a crowded area, if I was in a stadium full of people, this is what it's gonna sound like. And let me know how it sounds. Let's keep going with the testing. I'm gonna open up YouTube and we're gonna check the latency now. Again, I don't expect there to be any latency. I mean, this is a pair of gaming buds, so there shouldn't be any delay between audio and video. No delay whatsoever, and it sounds fantastic. The sound quality on these things, I'm very impressed. The fact that I can hear some bass, these will be my new go-to earbuds for sure. Next test, we will do the touch controls. Now, touch controls, the way they work. Half a second on either bud. If you just touch it and hold it for half a second and then let go, you can play or pause, and that's how you answer in the phone call as well. If you hold for 2 seconds on either bud, you can activate Siri or Google Assistant. Whatever phone you're using, whatever assistant, just touch and hold for 2 seconds, let go, and your voice assistant will appear. 2 taps on either bud will go to the next track. 3 taps on either bud will go to the previous track, and 3 taps, hold for 2 seconds. I know it sounds confusing, but you get used to it. 3 taps and hold for 2 seconds will switch it to gaming mode, where you can go into ultra low latency if you're about to play a game on your phone or PC or Mac or whatever. So really cool, touch controls, no volume control. Sadly enough, no volume control, but it is what it is. Let's just try them out and see how they work. We'll play some music now. Because of no in-ear detection, again, I'll take one out and I will show you the touch controls. Music is playing. If we touch and hold, pauses, touch and hold again, plays, touch, pause, touch, play. So really quick, it does work very well. We'll try and activate Siri now if we touch and hold for 2 seconds. What's up, Siri? And this would work the same on either bud. So half a second, we'll play and pause. 2 seconds, activate your voice assistant. We'll play some music again. 2 taps on either bud. Now we'll try with the left bud. We'll put the right one back in. We'll take the left one out and we'll do 2 taps. It should go to the next track. 2 taps. Goes to the next track. 2 taps again. Next track, one more time. Next track. We'll try the right bud again. And we'll do 3 taps. It's going to go back to the previous tracks. Went back. Went back. Went back again. We'll do it one more time. And it went back again, and it works very well. Now we're going to connect the gaming mode. The way gaming mode works, again, is 3 taps on either bud, hold for 2 seconds, and then a voice will come on, and she will tell you if you're in gaming mode or if you're in normal mode. And we'll just try it out. We'll play some music again. So she did say gaming mode in my ear. We went back to normal mode. So we're gonna go into gaming mode now. I'm gonna play a game and we'll just check the latency. Gaming mode works fantastic. You can hear the footsteps really well. The sound effects sound fantastic. No delay whatsoever. I can hear people talking. It sounds really good. I'm very excited about these. These are going to be my daily drivers moving forward, and I'm just happy about them. They sound fantastic. Touch controls are a little different. I have to get used to them, but they work really well. It works instantly. All right, guys, the Razer True Hammerhead wireless earbuds. These things are dope. I like them a lot. Let's talk about the pros. Start right with the sound quality. Sound quality on these things are fantastic. I have no problems whatsoever with the quality of the sound, the bass, the sound effects while you're gaming. It sounds fantastic. No problems whatsoever. Listening to content, you're going to enjoy it very much because you're going to hear those sound effects if you're gaming. If you like music that has a lot of bass to it, you're gonna feel it, and it sounds really good for a pair of buds like this. I'm highly impressed. Razer, well done. These things are dope. Latency, there is no latency listening to content or playing games. You do have gaming mode, which is impressive. Touch controls work really well. It's gonna take a little bit to get used to. They're different than all of the touch controls I used before, but they do work very well. And once you get the hang of it, it's going to be second nature. It's not going to be a problem. Price-wise, 99 bucks. Sound quality alone, these things are worth 99 bucks. I've paid a lot more for things that don't sound as good. These things work really well, and I think they're worth the $99 price tag. The color, they're matte black. They're dope. I like matte black in any product. One of the cons is probably battery life. If you are a gamer and you are going to be using these for gaming, when I used to play a lot of games back in the day, I would sit down for 5-6 hours at a time. So the fact that you can only get 3 hours out of these, keep that in mind if you are going to use these for gaming. IPX4, water and dust resistant. Again, that's just sweat proof. It's not waterproof, so don't throw them in water. But overall, they're dope. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think of the mic. We did a mic test, and we did it with the crowd noise this time, so you guys can let me know how they sound. But the Razer Hammerhead, true wireless buds, guys, 99 bucks. I'll drop the link below. I picked them up on Amazon. I got them in one day. So really fast shipping. Enjoy your weekend, guys. We'll be back soon. Peace.